How to change Uber driver profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Uber driver profile picture. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, open up your Uber app there. Now if you have the Uber driver app, you can do so easily on the app. If you don't have it here, I'll just prompt you how you can get to it. If you tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then here you want to head into the help option. Now once in help, you want to select the second option, account. And once you select the account option, you want to select the second option again, the account settings. And on account settings, you can see the change rider profile picture option. If you tap on it here, you'll see the change rider profile picture, and if you scroll down, you can see, do you have a driver account? Riders with a driver account must go through the driver app to change their profile photo. This applies if you ever created a driver account, even if it was never activated. The profile photo must be approved before it appears on your account. The approval typically takes 2 hours. Once you approve, your photo updates on both your rider and driver accounts. So if you have the driver account, you want to head into your driver app, and there you want to upload your photo, and once the approval is done, then only you'll be able to change your profile picture and it will be changed. So basically you'll have to request for the change. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.